Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you have a fine this time to talk about fans travel for fine community ahead of BTS concert in El Paso, updated on 2nd May 2026. Crowds of army of all ages and cultures formed lines outside the Sun Bowl trading free-buys and catering at the Glory Field fan pretty ahead of the first BTS show. The first BTS concert in El Paso was Saturday 2nd May at the Sun Bowl Stadium where fans gather outside the venue throughout the day. The second performance will be Sunday 3rd May. The streetcar filled as soon as it reached its first stop at South Santa Fe Street and East Overland Avenue, carrying riders around downtown and fans heading to the concert. Fans from Cude Juarez, who said they crossed the international border bridge on foot in the morning, saw many others doing the same. They said a guard jogged Andele Q Empezar el Quinquirto. Or come on, the concert is about to start. Madeline Espinoza, 25 of Colorado, said she tried to get tickets in Chicago but they sold out. She came to El Paso alone after her parents were unable to get tickets for the show but said she plans to collect free buys for them. Espinoza, who has been a BTS fan since 2013, is seeing the group for the first time. She said she saw all seven members outside their hotel, the Plaza, the day before the concert and while they were out at restaurants. She was waiting for the streetcar before noon to try to buy merchandise. She was unable to get the day before. It's her first time in El Paso and she said people have been very helpful. People here are so nice. Espinoza said in Spanish. They tell you where to eat and where to go. When he stopped to eat at the Vata Burger or nearby restaurants such as Panda Express and Wingstop. Food trucks lined Glory Road and water bottles were handed out. Water stations were also available for fans to refill bottles with water and ice. Daphne Gomez of Cude Juarez attended with her sisters and parents after becoming a BTS fan in 2017. She introduced her family to the group and it will be their first time seeing the band perform. She said in Spanish that she never in my life did I think the group would come so close to her hometown. The family arrived at 9 a.m. after spending 3 hours in line crossing from Cude juries and then lining up for merchandise. It's very emotional because it's something they have always wanted and we had the opportunity to come, her dad Antonio said in Spanish. Fans wore colorful creative outfits in shades of purple and red, many inspired by BTS and K-pop aesthetics. Throughout the day, Il Pasones helped out of town visitors and directions while army members complimented each other's outfits and traded free buys. Army is the name of the official fandom of BTS. A speaker played K-pop music outside the John Hoskins Center as fans who knew and choreography jumped into dance. Morgan Balding of Killeen, Texas has been a BTS fan since 2013. She was born in El Paso but moved at age 7 because she comes from a military family. I now have adult money so I can finally go and see the people I have loved for so long, Balding said. I feel euphoric. Honestly, I have been fan for so long and army for even longer, so it feels like I'm kind of becoming complete again, doing what childhood me would really have loved to have done when we're younger. So I'm excited they are here. She handed out free buys and invited other army members to sign her shirt. It feels amazing because I am a very introverted person, naturally bathing sad, but just like at the energy and the vibes, I think everybody can come here and just meet people who are like-minded, who are kind like them, and it's a big family. Belding said, returning to El Paso for the concert she had long hoped to attend felt like a full circle moment. I think the community here is amazing, especially the army community as well. With the Purple Star, Belding said, so I hope other people just come and see the opportunities that are here within El Paso. So I'm hoping for more concerts in the future. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.